Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Workx token. Ticker symbol is WORK. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 5th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed December 5th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Then you open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol WORK, WORK, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So December 5th, this token goes live on Mexc. Now they do have a web page here. It is at landing.workx.io. They also have their BSC scan on here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now it says only 19 holders. So it's safe to say that this listing date here for Mexc is probably their initial listing date. And there's 18 decimal places on this token. A max total supply of 6,500,000 work tokens. Now their white paper that you could find on their webpage is insanely long. 47-page white paper, so you know, if you have a few hours, it's also a very extremely tiny print. You can take forever going over that white paper if you like. Now they also have a few socials linked on their webpage. They have a Twitter and a Telegram. Their Twitter is doing insanely well, has over 100,000 followers. I was looking at it earlier. 137,500 Twitter followers. I'm going to put that up right here. And you can see on their Twitter there, they do have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They got the gold verified check mark on there at Workx_official. Building Workx, the first decentralized job economy empowering both talent and employers without commercial fees. So yeah, that's it says minimal labor costs and optimal salaries. The future of work is peer-to-peer. And yeah, and then their Telegram is on here as well. You can find their Telegram at Workx_Telegram. And they have 37,976 members on their Telegram. So they're doing well all over the place. They have a pitch deck available on their webpage. You can launch the application if you want to try it out. Now they also have links. It says here, it says fair, simple, efficient. Welcome to the Internet of Jobs, empowering decentralized artificial intelligence job matching. Workx is in public beta live now, so you could try it out. That's most likely the app in the corner of their webpage there that you could click on and try out the public beta version. It says collaborate without any commercial fees. Post jobs and use the artificial intelligence assistant temporarily for free. Hire talents with verified skills and work experience Register now on Workx. So I guess it's kind of like, you know, Indeed or LinkedIn or places where people go, Fiverr, and they post their it's people looking for jobs, and it's people looking for employees. And employers and employees would be an easy way to put it. Empowering the workforce. Discover seamless job matching, optimized salaries, and profile enhancement with Workx, the decentralized job platform powered by the Work token. So that's, you know, the main utility, obviously, of this token is to power the platform. Peer-to-peer collaboration. Work together without any commercial recruitment fees. Workers get the highest possible salary, and businesses minimize their workforce costs. Also, decentralized identity. Regain control over your career data and become the boss of your reputation, diplomas, certificates, references, or peer reviews. Verified references. So hire employees or freelancers with on-chain references to verify relevant work experience and skills for their jobs of today and tomorrow. Also, generative AI assistant. Get personalized AI suggestions from relevant skills, job descriptions, and educational purposes to build better job and talent profiles instantly. Who is Workx for? You could set up your employee or freelancer or company profile to work together peer-to-peer. So that's the thing I was missing. So it's for, you know, employees, employers, but then also if you're just looking to have your own, you know, you are the employee and the employer, a freelancer, then you can do that as well. So employee, everyone welcome, both active job seekers and people who build their profile for potential later use to remain private. Employers, any hiring company can use Workx, start scale-ups, corporates, agencies, DAOs, indie hackers, etc. And freelancers create on-chain gigs on a disposable Web3 layer and control your reputation cross-platform and earn 10 to 30% more for the same service. Explore how we instantly build better jobs and talent profiles to bring people together. So they have the AI assistant, post a job or get education suggestions generated with our GPT-4 model in minutes. Utilizing the GPT-4 model from OpenAI that is trained with the latest HR trends for major publishers in a large variety of industries. Enrich your talent or company profile to personalize AI suggestions. Instantly get better job postings relevant to the jobs of the future. Go peer-to-peer. Post your talent or job directly on Workx. Get matched with the best talents or job postings. Showcase your verified skills and company details, increasing your chances of finding your dream job or candidate. And start working together without any vendor lock or commercial fees. This has been seen in Yahoo Finance, Forbes, Bitcoin.com, Business Insider, Investing.com. You could subscribe to a newsletter to learn more. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc global account and you're looking to get this token, it is getting listed tomorrow, December 5th. And I do have a referral code down there in the description box, so have a look at that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Workx token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.